Hello everybody, my name is Pika Codes and welcome to my first ever Bukkit plugin tutorial. Today we're going to be starting off with the basics and making the first command using Bukkit and um yeah. So I've already created the um the project. So you want to go ahead and right click here, click new Java project and name it whatever you like, and then you want to click new package, and I'm going to call it carbohydrate desktop example, and you can call that whatever you like, it doesn't really matter. And then you want to go ahead and create a Java class. I'm just going to call it name for the time being. So we're going to start off by importing the Bukkit.jar or spigot.jar. I have it here. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Yeah, let's just go ahead and start the plugin. You can obtain that however you wish. Google it. But anyway, let's go ahead and start the plugin. I don't know why I did that first. Let's extend Java plugin. Okay. Alright. Okay, so what we want to go ahead and do now is type public void on enable, and then followed by 2 brackets, and then 2 squiggly brackets, and then public void on disable, and then 2 squiggly brackets. I don't know why I said that. Okay, so next, just for debugging purposes to check if everything's working, we're going to go ahead and do bukkit.getServer.getLogger.info, and so let's just do example plugin as needed. And then go ahead and copy the I've got a cold at the moment, sorry. Go ahead and copy the code into here and just change it to disable just to make sure the plugin is doing what it should be. What am I doing in my life? Okay, so once you've done that, you want to go ahead and okay, I'm back. I kind of screwed up talking there, but yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and create the command now. So we're gonna go ahead and type public boolean on command sender command cmd string command label and string args. Okay, so once you've done that, you're gonna go ahead and insert 2 squiggly brackets. So we're gonna basically do a check to make sure that it is the player executing the command. So checks executor is a player. How not spelled today? And not console. Okay, so you want to make sure you import these as well. Okay. So to do that, you want to go ahead and do sorry, I'm referencing wrong code right now. If sender instance of player, you'll need to import player. Alright, starting bracket there. So this just, if the sender is not a player, then it will do this. Send message. This command is not available for non-players, or something similar to that. And then return false. But then you want to go ahead and do if command.getName.equals ignore case is equal to whatever our command is going to be, which can just be I don't know, pickles. It will send the player a message saying player player P equals player sender. So this basically means that P is B sender now. So we can go ahead and just do that. P dot send message. Well done. The command has executed successfully. And we can do that again. There are plus bucket dot get online players dot size, which basically gets how many players are online, plus players online. So that's how you make your basic command. Let's go over to Minecraft and test that this actually works. So I'm going to just put the plugin, I'm going to compile the plugin and put it onto my desk server, and I will be back in a moment. I'm back. I'm kind of tired of them, but I just forgot one important step. Making the plugin.yml. So you just right click, example plugin, new, and then file, and call it plugin.yml. And then in the plugin.yml you want to put the name of the plugin, which let's just call it example, author, version, 1.0, main, com.hydrogenbest.example. So you want to get your package name and then dot whatever your class is called, in this case it's main. And then as we're using commands, we want to go ahead and type commands, 2 spaces, and then the name of the command, which is pickles. At this step you can add aliases for the commands, like essentials. You can type /list, but you can also use /elist, /playlist I believe, and various other commands use that. So you want to go ahead and have 2 spaces under the start of the commands, 1, 2, and then a colon and 2 square brackets, and you can type the aliases in here, online count, test, don't, and you separate them by commas and no space. So let's just do that for now. Control S, or file and save. Go ahead and close that. Then export the plugin. That's fine. And there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and put it into the server. I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, so I'm back, and now you want to go ahead and start the server via whatever method you start your server with, I guess. And then you want to go ahead and go over to Minecraft and obviously join your server. So yeah, as you can see, oh I died. Okay, so you can type /pl and you can see example is loaded. If we go ahead and type test, I believe is one of our aliases. Yep. Well done, the command is executed successfully. I spelled that wrong. There are 1 player is online. So that's basically how you make a very, very simple commands plugin using Bukkit. So thank you guys for watching. If you would like me to make more Bukkit tutorials, then please make sure to comment and like the video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. I died again, yeah. Bye.